Welcome to our channel. Today we'll break the fear barrier with our top 5 tips for first-time travelers. Whether you're planning a study trip, a vacation, or an adventure, here you'll find everything you need to become a confident traveler. Let's get started. First tip, plan ahead, but leave room for surprises. Planning is key to a successful trip. Research visa and health requirements, such as vaccinations. Destination weather, download an app like Weather Live. Cultural customs, such as appropriate clothing in Japan. But remember, don't overplan. Leave a free day to explore spontaneous places. Personal story. On my first trip to Thailand, I planned every minute, but my best memory was the day I got lost in the Bangkok markets. Tip 2. Pack smart, not heavy. The golden rule, carry half what you think you need. Essentials. Multi-purpose clothing such as a layer. Small items, portable charger, first aid kit. Your documents. A copy of your passport plus travel insurance. Watch the How to Pack a Suitcase video to organize your luggage. Tip 3. Financial budget. The secret to a stress-free trip. Divide your budget, 50% for accommodation and transportation, 30% for food and experiences, 20% for emergencies. Use apps like Trail Wallet to track spending. Avoid high prices. Look for local markets instead of tourist restaurants. Tip 4. Your safety comes first, even in excitement. Security tips. Keep an electronic copy of your passport on Google Drive. use an anti-theft bag. Avoid walking at night in unfamiliar areas. Global emergency number, dial 112 in any country. Tip 5. Embrace surprises. They create memories. Travel isn't perfect. You might lose your bag, miss your flight, or get lost on the London Underground, but these situations will make your trip a story to be told. On my first trip, I lost my wallet, but that taught me how to treat strangers with kindness. Today, they're my friends around the world.